Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to recover deleted contact on Android mobile. Guys, if you have to delete all contacts on Android mobile, how to recover, so keep watching this video until the end. Guys, first of all, open Play Store application appears on screen. Here guys, open it and search Google Contacts. Here you can see you need to download this application. I have already downloaded. I opening this application. Here guys, this is the interface, and just tap on profile icon and select the Google account which you have your mobile contacts. After selecting the account, simply tap on fix and manage here, and here guys, restore contacts, tap on it. Here, wait for some seconds and simply tap on Google Contacts sign setting, and tap on second option. Now guys, turn on this option. From here you can see appears on screen. Now select the Google account which you have numbers, and now wait for some seconds, and after some seconds wait, go back. Hey guys, now go back. From here you can see appears on screen, and now go back again, and now tap on contacts. Here guys, simply your contacts recovered successfully by this method, and you can go contacts application. I hope your contacts successfully recovered by this method. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.